Hey everybody, it's Bob Ross, Mike Whiteside at Black Dog Salvage, and you're kind of wondering what's on my head. I'm channeling my inner Bob Ross for Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody today. It's the 31st of October, and we are at the paint studio, and we're showing off the November colors with our swoos, our paints are. So, without further ado and laughter about my hair, here's swoos.
That's some big hair.
I got some big hair, Donna.
Bob Ross. It's turkey time almost. We're saying goodbye to October and hello to November. And this November, we're calling the palette turkey time. The colors in this month's palette of recipes is I Need a Bandage, Blue Ridge, Baby I'm Amazed, Keep It Teal, Dirt, Appalachia Sunset, and Caution Dogs at Work. And I'm really happy about this palette because I think it evokes all the colors of the holiday and the month. We have Baby I'm Amazed as one of our premix colors, which is a true corn maize color. Oregano, which is a mixture, believe it or not, of Blue Ridge and Caution Dogs at Work. Deep teal. I had a sweater this color as a kid.
Yeah.
I love that color. I wore that sweater till it had more holes than yarn. This is our burgundy, which reminds me of the burgundy wine my uncle used to bring to the table. You can't have a palette for November without pumpkin pie. And then, of course, our earthy chocolate color dirt. Dirt. Now, we are a salvage company. There's a lot of dirt around here.
Well, we don't charge extra for it either.
No, we certainly don't. But Mike and I are here to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving and a wonderful November. It's one of my favorite holidays because I think it just brings people together.
Awesome.
So have a wonderful time.
All right. Well, Bob Ross and Swoos Hudson say adios.
Adios.
To October and hello to the end of the year. So everybody stay in touch and love you guys.
Bye.